Vermont has a long history of being a huge milk state. My name is Nancy Hirschberg. I'm the Vice President of Natural Resources for Stonyfield Farm. We make organic yogurt and dairy products.
Come on, girl.
The Fourniers are one of about 180 organic dairy farms in the state of Vermont.
We can milk up to 8 at a time.
He's one of the 1,400 dairy members of Organic Valley Crop Cooperative. The Stonyfield Farm Greener Cow Project was an effort on our behalf to find a way to reduce the greenhouse gas emissions from milk production.
Come on, girl. Go. Come on.
We thought our factory was going to be the biggest part of our contribution to climate change, and lo and behold, it was actually the milk production. The cows themselves and their burps. Cows release methane, which is a very potent greenhouse gas. A lot of people think when they hear about gas from cows that it's coming from the rear end. It's actually coming from the mouth in silent burps. This is a cooked flax. We're adding just a few pounds a day to their diet. And what it does is it rebalances their stomach, so they actually produce less methane.
The numbers that we've got so far on this farm, somewhere is in the range of 12 to 15% improvement, reducing methane emissions from the cows.
There's been a huge health benefit as well. We were able to increase the omega-3 in the milk by almost a third.
I want to do my share. This is part of the reason why we farm in a sustainable manner, and this just makes it better.
The benefits are not only for the greenhouse gas emissions, but it's for the animals' health, for our human health as well as the planet.